NEET is the next preference. It means National Institute of Technology. For inter BPC students, NTA. NTA means National Testing. Thank you, sir. Yes, the program as the guest of honor. Program in our Sri Chaitanya IIT NEET Academy, Jagatya. The purpose of conducting these programs is to cope up the students to understand and to get evidence. I think you are very well awareness of these two courses. IIT is the engineering stream, NEET is the medical stream. For IIT, there are two types of thinking in their selected courses. Our chairman Rajendra Garu has certain expectations from the at least 10 medical seats from BPC students, 10 IIT seats and 20 NIT seats for MPC students. Previously, only got the chances of medical and engineering, but our chairman Rajendra Garu bringing such credibility to the doors of common families of rural and semi-rural students. Finally, on behalf, I welcome all the students and the parents who are participating in this for selection. NEET means National Entrance Eligibility Test. Our Chairman Rajendra Garu is always a front runner in organizing like these creative programs. Hence, our institute is laying milestones in the consequent years in our Jagatya district. They instill the minds of the students the deep-rooted concept to achieve their goals in engineering and medical. The subject experts who are contributing the lectures for the students are well experienced and good motivators. This program will definitely make the aspirants to know the ground reality and challenges in these two courses.
మన జగిత్యాల పట్టణం నుంచి ఎంతో మంది విద్యార్థులు వరంగల్ హైదరాబాద్కి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళ గోల్ని ప్రాపర్గా రీచ్ కావడం లేదన్న ఉద్దేశంతో 10th తర్వాత జరిగే మెయిన్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ సైన్స్ ఎంపీసీ బైపీసీలో మీరు తీసుకోవాల్సిన గైడెన్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి అనే కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా ఈరోజు మన శ్రీ చైతన్య ఐఐటి అండ్ నీట్ అకాడమీలో ఈ అవేర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని పెట్టడం జరిగింది. దీనికి ముఖ్యంగా నేను చాలా గర్వపడుతున్నాను. రీజిస్ టీమ్కి ప్రత్యేక కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. బాగా టైం కాకుండా ఒక 3 పాయింట్స్ మాట్లాడడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నాను. ఈ కరోనా పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళి ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులలో మీకు రావాల్సిన ప్రాపర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ని తీసుకోకుండా ఓన్లీ ఆన్లైన్లో మీ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై కాకుండా మీ అమూల్యమైన టైంని వెయిట్ చేసుకొని డబ్బుని హెల్త్ని ఖరాబ్ చేసుకొని ఉన్న ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఈ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ రాబోయే అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్లో ఒక మంచి నాణ్యమైన ఎన్ఐటి అండ్ ఐఐటి నీట్లో నిష్ణాతులైన అధ్యాపక బృందంచే మన కళాశాలలో మన అకాడమీలో ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభిస్తున్నామని తెలియజేయడానికి సంతోషిస్తున్నాను. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ వచ్చేసరికి మనం నార్త్ ఇండియా టీమ్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే ఎన్ఐటిఎన్స్ ఐఐటిఎన్స్ వీళ్ళంతా ఐఐటి జేఈ మెయిన్స్ అండ్ నీట్లో కోచింగ్లో మంచి ప్రావీణ్యత కలిగి ఉన్న ఫ్యాకల్టీని చూస్ చేసుకుంటే మన జగిత్యాల లాంటి గ్రామీణ ప్రాంత విద్యార్థులు కూడా ఐఐటి అండ్ నీట్లో మంచి ర్యాంక్స్ తెచ్చుకుంటారని చెప్పేసి నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఆ ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ టీంని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడం జరిగింది. సో తర్వాత వచ్చే పాయింట్స్లో మీరు ఈ అవేర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో మీకున్న డౌట్స్ని క్లారిఫై చేసుకొని రాబోయే ఎంట్రన్స్లో మీరు మంచి మార్క్స్ తీసుకురావడంలో మీ డౌట్స్ని క్లారిఫై చేసుకుంటారని చెప్పేసి ఆశిస్తూ ఈ సార్స్ ఇచ్చే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని మీరు గ్యాదర్ చేసుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
What we see from globalization, we are reaching to localization. From globalization to localization. How many of you understood the statement that I have given now? Globalization to localization. Around 10 years back, we were from localization to globalization. Villages were going into cities. Is Reliance in Jagtial now? Yes or no? Trends. It's a part of Reliance. BPL products in Jagtial today. Petroleum products. ITC products in Jagtial today. These are multinational corporations which operate their business in different parts of the world. India is one of the greatest human resources land which world countries look for. In the name of education, we people still today are depending upon the far off places. You must have heard about Nalanda University, which is one of the earliest universities of the world, where foreign students used to come to India. But today, we are going into different parts of the world for higher education. Children, if you notice, today for the best source of information, whenever you are stuck with a doubt, how many of you know it? Who is the CEO of Google? Yes. Who it is? Yes, Sundaram Pichai. He's an Indian. He's an IITian. Great. Fine. How many of you know? Especially in the current situation, we have come to know the importance of doctors. More than God, in the last 2 years, there were thousands and lakhs of people, those who shed tears in front of doctors. India is today more than 100 crores. And what is the number of doctors we have? 3 hands. Oh, very good. Very good. How many of you are having, tell you, hazardous work, the next one is, come to know about engineering. Okay, engineering. And finally he entered into an IIT, he was success. Those times competition, like in medical field we are lacking a lot. So you want to become a scientist. Then
if anybody will ask why you want to become a doctor or an engineer, okay, if that reason is there, definitely nobody can stop you. Okay, why? Like, what should be the reason? Why? Because let me give you one clear thing. When I was like you now, that time also, it question like this question was there also. Why? Okay, then this answer may vary person to person, student to student. Think and let me know. After 1 year of this coaching, you will see why I am doing this one. Why I am taking this much burden. Why I am taking this much tension. Okay, in other hand, my friends are enjoying the life. Okay, every day they are like watching movies or whatever function, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and what I am doing. Okay, the indirect meaning is self-motivation. Okay, another thing, any person will come, they will motivate you. It will be like 1 to 2 days and after they will forget definitely. Self-motivation is very, very, very important. All things will recall and again you will start to work. Okay, so that's why I'm asking. Okay, the first reason, sir, it's my dream. IITian or like any doctor, engineer field or medical field, it was my dream. It is my dream. Okay, that will motivate you every time. Basically, this one is my parents' dream. That is the second emotional. Okay, there are emotions behind these all of it. Okay, feel this one. Okay, If I talk about the second reason, sir, basically it's my parents' dream. Imagine yourself, okay, after 2 years, let's say you will be selected for NEET or IIT exam. Close your eyes and imagine that particular time. Forget in your life. I still can recall that one. Okay, whenever any particular things you are going to pursue, behind that there are so many reasons. Okay, but out of them, don't forget about your parents. In medical college, can you assume how your parents will feel? If that feeling you have now, definitely nobody can stop. I can guarantee it. Okay. First question from my side, why? Find your reason why you want to become. Believe me, definitely whenever you, okay, we are here to train you regarding that, we are here to give you coaching regarding this particular. Okay, so how we'll proceed further? These are the some logic behind them. Okay, read these one by one and we'll get to know. The first is set the goal. Okay, goal means already we have discussed. That is basically why. Why I want to be, goal is that one. Now I will do whatever hard work is necessary for that one, definitely I will do.